Hi, buddy, and welcome to Axion Token. Your host, Superman, and of course, it is amazing at Axion at the moment. We've been talking about the strategy and everything else coming up with Axion's 5-year plan, and of course, 2022, 2023 look amazing. Axion Studios, sell taxes, new dividends in Axion, and much, much more coming down the track. So, very, very awesome stuff. DeFi 3.0, etc. It's going to be awesome, and the market's already reacting. New partnerships, we're going to get onto that. Axion, folks, Axion.network is the website. Check it out, do your investment due diligence. And of course, you can get really great bonuses through the accelerator, bonus NFTs to potentially win bonus investments through the Collider. Get to that. And of course, Axion Portal is the main place. That's where you go. That's to stake and invest in Axion. So very, very nice. Let's jump over to the price. Of course, this is the talk of the town. Look at this chart. This is since Axion migrated over from Ethereum over to Polygon on the 20th of October 2021. Of course, that gave super cheap fees to Axion holders and also super fast. So Polygon is the second layer of Ethereum, and man, it's been a great ride. So obviously, Axion's had a lot of BTC free claimers at the beginning of Axion. That's tended to happen just after we launched, and of course, they were selling down some of those bags there as well as the first big payday as well. So that's what's happened at the beginning of the chart. That obviously has sent the chart there, plus with the market weakening generally versus the Ethereum, it's had the market weakening. But today, we started getting a climb up here. So if we zoom in on this chart, we can see that our low was back on the 6th of March. So since that point, we have been slowly building up a build up there. We're up 75% and have been slowly building up and starting the beginning of an uptrend. Very, very powerful. Now, of course, we were up a total today up 213%. So a massive jump today. Very exciting to see that. And of course, the day's candle has been as high as 81% up today, and we're currently up 75% for today. So in today's green candle, not finished yet. So you can see that is starting to form a new uptrend. And of course, we had to break 5,000. We had to break 5,000 first. We broke 5,000, and then of course that's this level here. So we had to break 5,000 over this level, and of course the next level was 5,700. We've done that, and now we're heading up towards the next resistance at 8,000. So a super amazing day, and of course all the good news is coming out, right? All this awesome stuff's happening, and we're slowly building that uptrend. So though we've had a bit of a downtrend, we had an awesome start with the opening price. Axion opened up at 0.0054 as the high. The open was 0.00333, so a fantastic open. But once again, we had a lot of BTC claimers, a lot of big paydays, and we had to absorb that selling. And it looks like the turnaround started. So we had to be patient. The team's made a lot of innovations, and of course, this big 5-year plan is looking awesome, especially 2022, 2023. It's got super exciting things as Axion moves to DeFi 3. So pretty awesome stuff. Looks like we've got the bottom is in. And of course, here we are, bottom in on 6th of March, and we're away to the races. So very, very exciting to see that. Let's jump out of the daily there, and we can see the hourly. So look at the hourly here. You can see it's just stepping up with the volumes are stepping in here, really starting to climb. So very, very positive there. There's a sell tax now, which is 5%, 10% sell tax. So that reduces selling. Now 5% of that goes to buy and burn. So it buys Axion on the market and then it burns it, and the other 5% goes back to Axion stakers. So that does a rewind there. So your net there is a 5% burn on that. So 10% self-tax is now in place. So super bullish for Axion, and that does reward longer-term stakers. That's what Axion's about, is a snippet deposit rewards longer-term stakers, and that's super bullish, and the team's only getting started, of course. Very, very cool. And yeah, I think it's something like less than 20x to the all-time high. So very, very cool. All-time high is 0.0076. So if we've got 0.00776 divided by the current price, which is a quadruple zero, was it 6783? That is 11.2x now. So that's how fast the price is climbing, 11.2x, and we're already up to over 200%. So pretty awesome from the bottom. So Axion's starting to rise. Lots of good news to come still. Very, very cool. The market conditions are good too. ETH is rising, almost 3,500. Bitcoin is gone back up to 46,500, looking bullish there too with the Luna buying lots of Bitcoin. Apparently 10 billion is their target. So they bought about at 1.4 billion so far. So the market's looking good too. Let's jump into the announcements and see some of the stuff that started to move this price, in addition to the awesome roadmap that we've got. So Axion announced a new partnership today. And of course, that we're extremely proud to announce the latest partnership. And of course, that is a pretty awesome. I posted that on the community tab there. Nocco partners with Axion as its official cryptocurrency. So their latest drink, big in Europe, here is the Nocco Axion. So Axion has got it's branded on this drink, and this is one of those sugar-free carbonated kind of caffeine looking energy drinks, as far as I can tell. So wonderful stuff. Moving into the corporate brands, retail, and into the drinks market. So big deal there. Axion is widening its scope. So massive partnership there. You can read all about that in the Axion Network Premium. So we'll have a quick look at the introduction for this, and you can check it out. Stockholm, Sweden. We're excited to bring a new flavor to the Nocco family. This is from Nortan Albrecht, the head of brand solutions for Nocco, announced. So very big announcement for Axion. Axion is excited to report it has been partnered with the popular drink Nocco as a way to leverage its high energy solution for the Axion ecosystem. Nocco has been a fan favorite energy drink of the Axion developers and team members since the launch of the Axion token just over a year ago. Nocco helps us to keep sharp and on our toes when working, and with the amazing community members in the Axion Discord. Pullen, who's in the core team, said as he cracked a can of Nocco open. We expect this to bring significant awareness of the Axion brand to the huge community of Nocco drinkers worldwide, he continued, with the introduction of its new flavor, Barley Blueberry. So it's Barley Blueberry. Nocco will become the first high-energy drink in the world to partner with a cryptocurrency company. So we're Axion breaking ground on that too. So very cool. We are in the process of introducing a special NFT to highlight this exciting partnership with Axion. Notan added, each new can of Barley Blueberry will have a unique QR code on the back of that drink, so that drinkers can scan for a chance to win one of these exclusive NFTs. So awesome stuff there. So a pretty big announcement there, and you can see much more detail on here as well. So very excited to see that. Hope you guys enjoyed that announcement. That's pretty major. That came out this morning, so help spur that price, no doubt. And of course, Pullen's out here on Discord. So we have now, this is at 8:30. So this is about 10, 11 hours ago. We are now approximately 70% up from our all-time low, which was quadruple 025, the bottom around the first week of March. But this is just the start. A new all-time high of 0000800 is only 20x away now. Now, the actual all-time high was 00076, but that's a close enough round up there, which is easily possible. Let us all load up on the DEX Tools chart and keep it open, see if we can get it trending. So team getting out there to keep people aware. Obviously in crypto, 90% of the time, this is the price that attracts a lot of attention, and then utility and features and benefits after that. It's kind of an interesting place to be. This is crypto for you. Very cool. Obviously trending on getting on CoinGecko as well. And of course, getting that sentiment up is very important. So cool stuff happening there. Of course, the momentum keeps going. You can see that we need everyone to be diamond hands here, and don't tempt to sell that button. Obviously, there's a 10% sell fee now, so just take that into account. But it is pumping there. And the other thing, of course, we're finally trending as well. Keep up the efforts, people. The chart is open. Make some small buys. Spread the word. So awesome there. Axion's trending there. So very nice stuff happening there. And of course, keep going. And Axion is also trending on Polygon hot pairs as well. So trending on DEX Tools, trending on Polygon, very nice, and that certainly helps. So I thought you guys might enjoy all those latest announcements. Very exciting for Axion. Once again, it's still super cheap. Back to all-time high, still another 12x from here, and heaps of news coming out with Axion, with the roadmap coming up with Axion Studio, Axion DeFi 3.0 all this year. So lots of fun ahead. And now, of course, we've got these new dividends with Axion. 5% of everything that gets sold goes back to Axion stakers. Very nice. And 5% gets burned, helps push the price up as well. Let's quickly look at the Axion portal. This is Axion, stakeaxion.network. And we can see on the accelerator here, we have a massive amount left. So it's amazing. 60. We've got 13 hours, 14 hours left to go on the accelerator, and already 64% sold already. So only 36% of the bonus remaining, 134 million. So the link's in the video description, folks. If you want to get to Axion, obviously you pick up a lot more through the accelerator here. All the bonuses on the right-hand side. All you have to do is put in the token that you want. There's 6 different tokens you can choose from, the amount that you want to invest, and then, of course, the amount of days that you stake. The longer pays better. Every time you stake Axion, you're going to get more Axion benefits, and then when you stake it, you get more shares. You swap your Axion for shares, get 20% more shares per year up to 15 years, over 300% more shares. That's why Axion has record level stakers there. So you can see, amazing, 243.6 million Axion sold, 166 million burned, which is amazing. And of course, PTC paid out almost $1,800 to stakers as well. So you earn BTC divs and Axion divs. Very, very nice. Very, very cool. You can see the tokens that people are using to go in there: Matic, USDC, and some wrapped Bitcoin there as well. Very, very cool. Let's go to the other thing. Of course, you win a Collider NFT that could give you a chance of winning a bonus investment. At the moment, that's up to $3,370, which is amazing. That's the top one you could potentially win. Someone actually won that the other day. So congratulations to them. Of course, if you win that, you can put your Collider into the Collider there. That's your NFT. And of course, your stake details will show here with the stakes down the bottom. And your BTC and your Axion dividends will show up in the middle here. Very, very nice. Let's jump over to the dashboard, have a check out the burn. The burn is climbing, folks. Very amazing here. We've got circulating supply 24%, staked at 76%, and people that stake 15 years, 49% of all stakers stake 15 years because you get that 300% bonus in shares. So pretty cool. Let's have a look at the burned amount, 39.33 billion, heading towards 40 billion Axion. Amazing. Let's go check the burn address there on the Polygon scan. That's the block explorer for Polygon. And you can see the actual burn address there. It is amazing at the top there. So looking really good. 39, it's taking a little while to load, but you can see the number there. Very, very cool. You can see constant burning happening here every hour or so. Many burnings. Just burn. Wonderful, wonderful, fantastic. So obviously, as the accelerator sells out, so you get more wrapped Bitcoin dividends and you get more, people say you get more Axion dividends. So beautiful stuff. Hope you enjoyed that. Feel free to subscribe, like, share, hit the bell. Good times for Axion. As you know, I've been here a long time and holding the fort on this, and the patience is paid off. I've always said consistency is key. I said this team is super world-class, super talented, and you guys are seeing this stuff roll out in real time. And it's only the beginning. They've got much, much more in store. But what all they've done in the last couple of weeks in particular is, after doing lots of groundwork behind that, is building up Axion to a new era for Axion. So very exciting. All right. Hope you enjoyed that. That price is looking good. And mate, still super cheap. The all-time high is 0.0076, and we're at quadruple 0.068. So a long way to go. 12x up to the top there, and then well beyond that. It's going to be a lot of fun for sure. If we go to the general chat, of course, we can see all the details. Get in there, folks. Say hello. If it's been a while since you've been in the Telegram or Discord, get in there and say hello and get excited about what's happening with Axion, because you can be a part of it. So very, very nice. All right, I'll catch you in the next one. I'll probably be doing a live stream tomorrow, and I'll see you then. Bye for now.